in the studios, and then I also have 10-year-old Bhavya in the studios.
My name is Tamogna. It's 2 o'clock.
Good job, bro. Very good. Okay, gear on, guys. हेलो एंड गुड आफ्टरनून। इस शुभ नाम की इस गाड़ी है और मेरा नाम जलेश। आप जानते हैं इस पूरे हफ्ते इस शो में स्कूल के बच्चों को हमने इनवाइट किया था। टुडे वी हैव टू रियली क्यूट किड्स विद अस। वी गॉट 10-year-old Bhavya with us and then we have 7-year-old इनका नाम इतना डिफिकल्ट है ब्रो, यू हैव टू टीच मी। हाउ डू आई से योर नेम? Tamogna. We've got Tamogna with us in the studios and Bhavya. Now, Tamogna, I have to ask you this. What school do you go to, bro?
Korea Terrace.
And your sister Bhavya, what school do you go to?
Dyer.
Sorry, say that again?
Dyer.
Oh, lovely. Today, throughout the show, I'm just going to give you a rough idea as to what is expected of the show. I will talk to you guys a lot about your likes, your dislikes, your hobbies, what do you guys do in the school, what do you take for lunch, and whatnot. What is also important is today I would also love to learn from you about COVID, like whatever COVID information you have, obviously. Are you guys excited and ready for that?
Yes. Yes.
But before that, I would love to know something about you. So Bhavya, if I ask you something, which could be like, just tell me something, just give me a brief introduction of yourself.
I really like reading books.
Or do you?
Yes.
Oh, okay. What kind of book? Fiction, non-fiction?
I like reading fiction and
Oh, yeah?
adventure.
Oh, that's cool. And how about you, Bhavya? Oh, I'm sorry. How about you, Tamogna?
Doing skateboarding and doing origami and doing maths.
Oh, you like maths?
Yeah.
Bro, I have to ask you some math question later in the show, obviously, just to check how much of math do you know. We'll also ask about your relationship with your brother, you know, the brother-sister relationship that you guys have, because every brother and sister fights at some point. मैं एक और बात listeners को बता देना चाहता हूँ, because they come from the southern part of India, understanding Hindi is a challenge, and hence we will choose English throughout the show. These kids over here in the studios, man, I think it takes so much of confidence just to be here. And these guys, man, every little kid who's been to the studio, Monday se lekar ab tak, man, these guys are something else. Hi, Tamogna. Is that the right way to say your name?
Yes.
I get scared every time you give me those looks, man. Every time I say his name, I'm like, damn, am I even saying this right? And then, of course, we've got Bhavya with us. You know, guys, what I wanted to know from you. Firstly, let's talk about school. How's your school life, Bhavya? Do you like going to school?
Yes, it's fun. And we do really fun things at school.
What are you saying? When I was in school, all I did is studies. What fun things are you guys doing in school?
We do like sports and other fun activities outside.
Ah, I see. And how about your brother? Do you like going to school, bro? Be honest.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
What do you like about it?
Doing maths.
Ah, man, this guy is so obsessed with maths, yeah? What do you want to be when you be a big boy?
A doctor.
Ah, I actually see him being a doctor, like genuinely. I think you will become either a doctor or a lawyer or something of those kinds. But what kind of a doctor? What body part doctor will you be?
Probably a brain part.
Arre, Dada, look at him, man. Have you thought, Bhavya, what do you want to be when you be
A lawyer or a doctor.
Wow, both brothers and sisters either want to be a lawyer or a doctor. Good job. Now let's talk about your teachers in school. Do you guys have like a favorite teacher?
Yes.
Right? What is, when you do decide somebody is your favorite, what qualities do you see in that teacher to be that, to make that teacher your favorite teacher?
They're really nice to everyone and they're fair and they listen to everyone in the class.
Ah, being fair is the most important thing. Hey brother, what about you? Do you have a favorite teacher in school?
No.
No? Why not?
I don't know.
He basically treats everybody the same. See, good stuff, yeah. आप लोग रेडियो सुनते रहिए. We have these little kids here in the studios. You know what we'll do after this ad break? I would really love to talk about bullying. Have you guys heard about the concept of bullying?
Yes.
You have, okay. Let's learn something from you guys after this ad break. You stay here. Just student क्या मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ आज हमारे स्टूडियोज में भाव्य और तमोगना है. This is what it is, guys. Today we also thought कि हमें रेडियो पे बुलिंग के बारे में बात करनी चाहिए क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्कूल के बच्चे हो सकता है रेडियो सुन भी रहे हो. It's very important to understand what bullying is. Now let's hear a 7-year-old boy talk about bullying. Bro, what do you understand of the word bullying?
Like teasing people.
Oh yeah. Does that happen? Have you ever experienced anybody doing that?
No.
Have you seen someone doing it to somebody else?
Yes.
Oh yeah. And then, if you're seeing someone getting bullied, what is your call to action? What do you do?
Like say probably you can say
Like, do you try to stop them? Do you be like, hey, please don't do this to my friend? Yeah. Do you have many friends, bro, in school?
yeah.
How many friends do you have?
10.
What? Bro, you have more friends than I have. Oh my god. Okay, give me top 3 friends. Who are your best friends? Like best of the best friends.
Like the names?
Yeah, like the names. Let's give them a shout out.
Andrew.
Andrew.
Jordan.
Andrew, Jordan,
And Kanvi.
Karamveer,
Kanvi.
Khanveer.
Yeah.
And do you have any girlfriends?
No.
Huh?
No.
Sachi.
No.
Good stuff. Acha Bhavya, let's understand bullying from you now. She's a 10-year-old girl. Let's understand what she explains of bullying.
Bullying is like when two people like get into a fight and
Yeah.
the other person is like more in control or power than the other person
Oh,
and then they start having a misunderstanding.
very interesting. And so tell me something. Like your brother, you know, his call to action was he would really feel for somebody who's getting bullied and he will try to stop that someone. Have you ever seen someone? So what do you do when you see someone getting bullied?
I would stand up for them or I would call a responsible adult.
Wow. Bro, did you hear that?
Yeah.
When the next time that happens, there's something to learn from your sister here. We call for an adult, okay? Another thing that I wanted to understand from you is, can bullying only happen with strangers or can you also bully your brother?
It can happen with anyone.
Oh, okay. So in any relationship capacity, you can be bullied or somebody can bully you, है ना?
Someone can bully you and you can also bully them.
Yeah, true. No, so it's very important. Why not to bully? Can you teach us?
You shouldn't bully people because you can get it back later, and then that person will feel sad.
I agree. It's just not good manners to bully someone, है ना? Acha, bro, tell me something. Not washing your hands after eating, is this good manners or bad manners?
Bad manners.
I will play this game with these little kids about good manners and bad manners, which is one of my favorite games as well, by the way. आप रेडियो सुनते रहिए. We've got 7-year-old little one over here along with बड़ी बहन भाव्या in the studio. ये गाना चंदना दीक्षित ने गाया with अभिजीत भट्टाचार्य. तो आप हमारे छोटे मेहमानों को बता सकते हैं, and I'm positive they'll play the songs for you. Yeah, we've got the Mogna in the studios along with Bhavya. Hello guys, how are we doing? Hello बोलो ऐसे आओ. हाँ शाबाश भैया हेलो भी बोल रहे यार. अच्छा मेरी बात सुनो. I recently learned something about Tamogna over here. You're good with math, are you? Okay, I'm going to give you an equation to start with. Should I? It's a very easy equation though, okay? What is 20 minus 7?
30.
Shabash. Okay, listen, he's only 7, okay? So he doing this live on radio is a big deal. Now I'm going to give you 3 numbers, okay? What is 4 plus 5 plus 1? Boy, good job. I'm so proud of you. Like being 7, being able to do that live on radio, I think is a big deal. Asha Bhavya, I have to ask you about school lunchbox. I mean, come on. When I do the show in the afternoon, a lot of parents call me and complain that my kids never finish lunchbox. What is the story with you guys? Do you guys finish your lunchboxes?
We only finish if there's something yummy.
Oh my god, now that's the drama with every kid. Bro, how about you? Do you finish your lunchbox?
Yeah, same thing as my sister.
So, okay, explain me what is yummy. So, when you say when it's something yummy, what do you mean by yummy?
Like some candy or something.
Oh, beta, you want candy for your lunch, huh? So, what does your normal lunchbox look like? What do you guys have in your lunchbox? What does mama give you? Oh yeah? Oh, apple's boring, isn't it? Do you like fruits?
Yeah.
What's your favorite fruit?
Grapes.
Grapes. Well, that's so unique. I've never heard a guy say grapes as favorite fruit. What's your favorite fruit?
I like
Bhavya?
watermelon.
Not bad. That's a good choice. You'll start getting watermelons very soon because it's summer's, right? Do you guys love mangoes?
Yes.
Oh my God! Which one doesn't love mangoes? How about desserts? Do you guys like desserts?
Yes.
What's your favorite dessert, guys?
I like anything ice cream.
Anything ice cream. And you?
Probably ice cream and donuts.
Oh, donuts. Okay, I'm gonna give you two options: Krispy Kreme donuts or Dunkin' Donuts.
Krispy Kreme.
Wow, that was very quick. If this is an example, okay? Well, no, not an example, like an exaggerated situation. Think about a morning you both wake up, and now you get a chance to pack your own lunchbox, okay? What will you pack in your own lunchbox? We'll start with a little one, yeah. You have the complete freedom to get whatever you want.
Yes.
What will you take for your lunch?
The same thing, but just candy inside.
The same thing with the candy addition. What's with candy, bro? Which candy do you like?
Like Lindt chocolate.
Arey Dada, do you like Ferrero Rochers?
Yes.
Boy, who doesn't? How about you? What would you pack for your lunch?
I would pack my favorite fruit, and I would pack a burger and like a cake.
A burger? Wow, beta. Does your mama ever give you burger for lunch?
We've had a bun once.
Oh bun. Well, that doesn't still qualify, but it's okay. How does it work in your family that when you reach home, do you guys put clothes right where they're supposed to? School bag, shoes. I don't think this little one does. Does he? Does he put things back right in its place? No, even you don't. Wow, so proud of you. So, what's your punishment? What does your mama ask you to do?
No punishment.
Okay, tell me how your mama would react if you don't put your shoes right where they're supposed to.
She'll get like so mad.
Really? Like, can you enact your mom how she talk?
like just like she would like to put everything right, put your clothes in the washing, take your socks off, to put your school bag where it's supposed to be.
And so
And
this,
put your lunchbox.
so she would tell this to you every single day, but you wouldn't do it. Wow. Why wouldn't you? Because it's just lazy, है ना? Damn, bro, these are kids, man. I mean, come on, we all have been there. आप रेडियो सुनते रहिए. We have Bhavya and Tamogna in our studios until 4 p.m. You know what? It is so important that at the age of which Tamogna is and Bhavya, 7 and 10, कि good manners के बारे में हम इसी age से जान लें. Today we'll also try to understand from both these individuals that what do they think some good manners are. Bhavya, will start with you. Can you just give me 3 good manners that every human being should have?
They should be kind. And they should listen to everyone.
Oh, correct. Kind, listening to everyone, that's 2.
And you should be a good friend to everyone.
Boy, I love those 3. Bro, are you kind?
Yes.
Are you? Do you listen to everyone?
Yes.
And what was the third one?
Be a good friend to
Are you a good friend to your sister? Now that I asked your brother about friendship, what kind of relationship do you guys have? I mean, your brothers, sisters, brother and sister. So, I mean, do you guys fight? Do you guys like each other?
Sometimes we fight and sometimes we're like best friends.
Oh, wow. Bro, tell me something. If you had a chance to choose your sister, would you choose the same sister or ask for a new one?
Same sister.
Sachi, really? Man, I'm impressed. And is that the same with you? Would you choose him as a brother?
Yes, because he's good.
Hi. What is good about him?
He's always kind to me and he plays with me when I want him.
Has he ever in your life, has he ever pulled your hair?
Yes.
He has? Oh my god! And then do you guys ever play fighting on the couch or in the bed or whatever?
Yes.
You do? Oh my god. What are some other games that you guys play together?
We play sports outside and sometimes we fight about who's what position and
Oh.
which side they're on.
Let me ask this question to the little one. Come closer to the mic, beta. Tell me something. Who does Mama love more? You or Bhavya?
Both of us.
No, you just come on.
Him.
And who does Dada love more? You? Oh, really? Okay, so tell me something. Who's your favorite? Mom or dad?
Mom.
Okay, and who's your favorite?
Both, but a little more dad.
Why? Why do you like dad a little more than mom?
He always buys me everything.
Of course. And who buys you everything, mom or dad?
Dad.
Really?
Yes.
Good stuff, man. These kids are so cute. आप रेडियो सुनते रहिए, by the way. अच्छा, ये भी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग एडिशन है शो का, जहाँ 2019 के सुपर हिट गानों को हम रेडियो पे चला रहे हैं. I have 7-year-old Tamogna in the studios along with Tamogna की बड़ी बहन जिनका नाम है भाव्या. अच्छा, very quickly guys, not that you guys are going right now, but I want to know how's your experience on radio until now. I will start with the little one over here. मजा आ रहा है? Are you liking it?
Yes.
Would you do this again if given a chance?
Yes.
Yeah, I like it already. Bhavya, how about you?
It was fun and I liked the experience of answering questions.
I have one question for you guys. How are you guys so confident, yeah? Like, how?
It's because we go on the stage a lot.
Ah, I see. You guys never get scared, like, talking in front of, like, people?
No.
I like it, man. I love the confidence. In fact, आप लोग वीडियो सुनते रहिए. We have these kids in our studios until 4. So let's भेजा था for Bhavya's real question. Bhavya, what is the answer?
The answer is a coin because a coin has two sides, a head and a tail.
How on earth did I not even think about it? So intelligent. Where did you learn this from?
I learned it online
Uh-huh.
while we were doing a challenge in the class.
Oh, tell me something. Do you have TikTok?
Yes.
Do you know what TikTok is?
Yeah.
Boy, and do you have a mobile phone, this little one over here?
Yes.
You have a mobile phone as well? Which one do you use? Or is it a Samsung or an Apple
A
iPhone?
Samsung.
वाह बेटा वाह. आप लोग रेडियो सुनते रहो. ऐसे ही सुपर हिट गाने हम आपको सुनाते रहेंगे. चाहते हैं तो आप हमारे दो छोटे मेहमानों को 1812 पर SMS करके बता सकते हैं एंड we'll be pretty positive. We'll play those songs for you. अच्छा सुनना, ये हमारे शो का सेकंड लास्ट डे भी है. कल भी हमारे शो में एक छोटी सी बच्ची होगी. आप रेडियो पे सुनते रहिएगा. We've got Bhavya today in our studios along with Tamogna. Acha, Bhavya, I wanted to understand physical fitness from you guys as well. I mean, I know it sounds a bit, 10 साल के और 7 साल के बच्चे क्या हमें सिखाएंगे, लेकिन how do you keep yourself fit, yeah?
We have a park near our house and we go there.
Oh yeah?
And there's also a skate park where there's like slopes and
Oh,
where
very
you
nice.
can play with skateboards and scooters.
Oh, are you good at skates though?
No.
No. Who is your brother good at skates?
Yes.
Bro, I have to talk to you. Come here. So, how do you keep yourself fit?
Doing skateboarding, playing cricket for 2 hours.
You play cricket?
Yeah.
Are you a batsman or a bowler?
Batsman.
No way. Are you a right-handed batsman or left-handed?
Right-handed.
And who's your favorite cricketer?
Kohli.
Go! If India and New Zealand are playing cricket, who do you support?
Jasprit Bumrah.
Oh, the bowler Jasprit. Oh, is he your favorite bowler?
Yes.
You know what? He's also, I think, world's #1 bowler. Isn't he? I think he is. He does a lot of Yorkers, right? Like whatever that is. Man, we have these little kids here in the studios. I also knew for a fact that Bhavya knew a riddle question. Bhavna, can you ask our listeners a question that can make them win something? I guess.
What has a tail, body, but no? What has a tail and a head but no body?
What has a tail and a head but no body? I think I know the answer. I think. Can I answer?
Yes.
Is it a watch? No.
No.
Clock? No.
No.
It's not a clock? Okay. 8812 पर आप हमें SMS करके बता सकते हैं. What has a tail,
Head
and
no body.
no body? Okay, this is interesting.
And all those stuff.
Oh yeah. And then do you? What are you saying? Finish what you're saying.
And then we get to keep the money.
Keep the money.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Do you have like a piggy bank where you save the money?
Yes.
How much money do you have right now?
380.
What? No way. Are you serious?
Yes.
Bro, you could literally buy a Nintendo Switch. Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
Man, 380 bucks. So if you want to use that money, do you have to ask permission from your mom and dad, or you can just use it?
Just ask them if they want. Can you take us to the shops?
Tell me something. Is saving money good habit or bad habit?
Bad habit.
What? Saving money should be good habit, no?
So it's because you can't just keep saving it. You have to even spend it.
I love this guy already. I so agree, man. Like a lot of people, all they do in their life is save money and they never spend it. How do you think your mom and dad are? Do they save money or spend it?
Spend it.
Arre wah.
They just keep spending and spending.
Bhavya says no. Hello. Bhavya, tell me something. Have you ever wanted to buy something and then you really had to earn that something? Like had to do some good job and then mom and dad like,
Yes, we have to we have to earn the money before we spend it.
how much money according to you is a lot of money?
Like in the hundreds.
In the hundreds. And so your brother has a lot of money. He said he has $380, man. How much do you have? Do you have your own savings? $50? Oh my God, bro! Will you share your money with your sister?
No.
No. He's saying no, flat out. There's no money coming your way. How does he has more money than you?
Because he does soccer and yeah.
Bro, where are you earning all your money from, huh?
Getting so many player of the days and doing my and doing all my work and all this.
Oh, good stuff.
And I
man.
used to save a little bit when I was like 4.
Oh, lovely. See,
Am I-
intelligent. Intelligent. I'm loving these kids already. ये गाना सुनो आप ये गाना हमारी listener ने request किया है. Studios. Today we have a brother-sister duo, and I must tell you, yaar, I thought brothers and sisters fight, but you guys are so civil. Like you guys are such well-behaved kids, man. I'm so proud of you guys. अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ. We all have literally just come out. Well, not really come out of COVID, but we're still in it. I wanted to understand how a 10-year-old understood COVID. What do you know about COVID?
It's a pandemic
Uh-huh.
and people have to stay home
Uh-huh.
to keep safe from the virus.
Uh-huh.
And you have to do online schooling.
Oh, tell me about that. How was your experience of online schooling?
It was sometimes annoying to post all the work you have to do.
Really?
Yeah.
So you had to post everything that you did on where? Where do you have to post?
On Google Classroom.
Oh, that thing. Okay. And so why was it annoying? Because of slow internet?
No, because you need to keep taking so many photos.
I can imagine that. Take a photo, upload it. Take a photo, upload it. And so did you guys have to wear school uniforms or you were allowed to wear whatever?
We can wear whatever we want.
Damn, that is so cool. Let's understand COVID from a 7-year-old boy. Bro, what do you know about COVID? What is COVID?
It's like a pandemic.
Uh-huh.
And you have to wear masks when you go outside.
Oh, that is so important though. But do you know why do we have to wear a mask? Like, what if I don't?
Yes, because if you don't wear it, then germs will spread everywhere.
Oh, what else should you do so that germs don't spread?
Like wash your hands and put
Intelligent.
hand sanitizer.
Oh yeah. Hey, tell me something. When you started going to school, whenever the school opened, did your mama give you hand sanitizers that you took to school?
No.
Did your school have hand sanitizers?
Yes.
though? Oh yeah. And did you guys put a lot of sanitizing material?
Yes.
Good stuff, yeah. So, bro, I wanted to know from you about your online school. Did you have online school as well?
Yes.
You did.
Yeah.
And did you like it or you didn't like it?
A little bit.
So, if you had a chance now, would you rather have online schooling or actually go to the school?
Going to school.
You would rather go to school. Did you miss your friends when you didn't go to school?
Yes.
That's how it is, right? Oh my god. Our radio sunte rahe, we had these little kids, they were so cute in explaining COVID and what their life looked like in COVID. You know what? After the song, we will very soon talk about pocket money with these kids. I don't know if they get pocket money, but we'll find that out really soon. मुझे फिर आज रेडियो पे सुना उस बात के लिए thank you very much. Now what's happening is we're having these little kids in our studios. Tomorrow again we'll have a little kid in our studio. आज हमारे साथ studios में भाव्या और oh my god, why do I always forget your name? Wait, Tamogna?
Yes.
We had Tamogna and Bhavya in our studios. Hey, Bhavya, tell me, how was your experience here? How did you like it?
It was fun to speak in the studio, and I liked it because I could answer lots of questions.
And you're so confident, yeah, I must accept that. I mean, damn, at that age, I couldn't even speak in front of like 5 people, leave alone on radio. So what you guys did today is super brave. I genuinely admire you guys. The little one over here, come here. आपको कैसा लगा? How did you like today?
Like sharing all our details.
Did you like it?
Yes.
And did you, when you initially came to the radio, were you nervous? Were you like, oh my god, what will I do?
Yeah, a little bit.
Little bit, right? I mean, this guy is born confident, man. He doesn't care. He's like, man, I got this covered. But good stuff, man. I loved having you in the studio. And before you go, let me learn the right way of saying your name. How do I say it?
Tamogna.
Tamogna. And what does it mean? Your sister was teaching me something about your name. What does the name
It
mean?
means Lord Shiva.
Lord Shiva. Good stuff. Thank you very much, guys. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Bhavya. It's 3 o'clock.
Oh, good stuff.